Hey guys, today let's try how to fix Instagram lagging on its Reels. So if you want to go ahead and solve this issue that your Instagram application is lagging when you watch some Reels, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to fix this issue step by step, so please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So what we need to do in order for us to solve this issue, guys, is to make sure that we have stable internet connection with our Wi-Fi. Now, having unstable internet connection with our Wi-Fi could contribute as to why we are experiencing some lag while we watch Instagram Reels, so go ahead and double check that real quick under your control centers and see if that is the problem. Now, if you do have some problems with your internet connection, you could actually go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better for you. Now, once that issue is solved, one more thing that we could also do in order for us to solve this issue is to remove the cache of the application. So in order for us to do that, go ahead and launch the settings application of your device, tap on general, iPhone storage, wait for this to load until you see the Instagram application. So scroll down until you see the Instagram application, go ahead and tap on offload app, and then from here, what we need to do from here is to proceed with reinstalling the application again, wait for it to install, and then proceed with launching it. And once that is done, you may now use the Instagram application properly with no issues whatsoever with lag. Now, one more thing to discuss about this lag on Instagram is you may have your battery percentage low. Having low battery percentage on an iPhone will contribute to having performance issues, especially when watching and using applications. So you need to go ahead and make sure that you have sufficient battery levels before going ahead and watching Instagram Reels so that you won't experience any lag like this. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.